Jack, Despite, and then the Baidiana or Moyana Ghana was a. Hey! And you wedding more than royal wedding. I love a lie. Hey! We separate you are wedding, pass, separate you are wedding. Casa can see it. They say, we start wedding on Muye, the woman will be wedding, cry, I am knocking. They say, I'm out for wedding, I am knocking. Wow, so your wedding, oh yeah, no bed, you what boca and say it looks like knocking. And you press any casa can see it, just say that's my hey, right, I mean, I mean, can't cry. Press upon our dear boys, I say, yes, you better have boys at Junana, the person yes, so also moons and start saying United and your pet. Hey, wedding you, separate you are wedding, pa, a Jimmy Samupu. Na cast no it cast na renter and I say dey just say cast when you na Ghana ho everybody na nyankopon
Osei Kwame Despite na do hu ji bibia mo anu ase no aden.
Hello lovely fans of Poleeno Multimedia. My name is Poleeno Multimedia. Ye baha mpense mu and I say stories are trending and near my who dear a womb. Maybe a bit of what won't but when the moon mu and a bit also who in Cranedia bro. May I host the show here from me Armstrong Poleeno there. Wait me follow Poleeno Multimedia or Instagram Poleeno_com. No follow me so Armstrong_Poleeno_ Ade. And then my name co-host Papa. Dear the mom. And then somebody did bring Papa. Papa and Tina make time say there was so Jumedia say a free or more stand up herbal supplement. You can stand up herbal supplement. I know him say yeah come our for no patch on warrior and venture and see our for no na what worry now into me boy Juma yeah stand up herbal supplement home and no you can say any so I didn't be a junk cabinia ya why. Ti ka say janka nya ni so de hunu de na o tin say e bodjuma 100% herbal nti chemicals bi anfra na onoma na say untimi bodjuma abodjuma
me bieja
na me kai o say o hwe wedding bi ti say
Kennedy de ya
Kensi
yes
Kennedy Kensi 2020 hashtag Kensi 2020
say Kennedy and Tracy
Kensi 2020
combination
me come true. Ohe wedding way na wedding way nyina kwa wie no
pia
na anadweja ama obi amedi mochi biem
mu
mi no pem bedroom fefefe AC boho
that's right
na eje bi na ntimi
mu adwuma na akwese wasasa kapoma bonwam no
e arehosem Ghana for you yedum but ukofia na oyere
osparkia na edum and e ba ne sa ohia den
ohia a stand up supplement
pia
herbal supplement one of the best.
It's mom which na so
me come sure.
Afro popo.
Me come sure.
And
say no ntimi me pepra ware.
Poleeno.
Man ware mi ntimi no.
Poleeno say na wusi wa ho odin city wo san de adro be kan ho be nsem pi.
Say me pese ubeja me da. Pa.
Dear go.
And show we a full package.
That's right.
And they bring full package and same be meaning say o Ghana na so wa mononia unim say nyoma bebre na ekoso o Ghana men ene ana say ene show na de bre no ye chiro say Kensi 2020 ekoso na wotwe
that's right
ena ye ai papa ya de nyina Rev Obofour eso to birthday man ne man me no and me come chiro say engofo say pressure and o mato Ghana crew no
and they no kra nyame pressure
obi so odum obi ne me kasa anope o say odum na phone
that's right
for the week no because
pressure na ba na anu
den ontimi
na wo hwe kasa Kennedy the wedding oye type of cars e buy ye we will say be buy ye in just that type of cars ni bi
made a video be ID can release you say say Maserati ni bi di kan na G-Wagon so na ho ahwani se ka bo kre bokra minti
anwa dene
minti bi daw
anwa dene
na ha
what top pressure my boys
and your boys so yeah sister if you show say wa worry atwam de Ohoson.
Na mo amobe
wa. Na mo amobe wa no. Ofre no na wo ya awade. Na ofre na. Asisa wonim ze wo ya awade amefre no. Because you say no, Kensi ebie ni say from 2020 kwei.
Type of wedding was here. And you create a man for betum. Amanfo betu.
Papa je say cars and nam krum na wotwe twem.
That's right.
Ye rough estimate of price between $8 million to $10 million. You can say scan
Kennedy ne Rev
Obofour show no. Cars na wotwe no.
That's right.
Pie krum
that's right.
Obi a hwe bi no. Between $8 million to $10 million.
What's a Ghana commercial by Omojo 3 no?
Yeah, the bug Ghana bossing.
Yes.
Na sa onsa me ya papa de o ye program no minya kwanya ekobi fefefe.
That's right.
Na o hwe convoy na ye de nam na.
Anu e
cars be 50.
That's right.
Cars be 50.
Enye car phone so.
O say
Rev Obofour enye car phone so.
E de ne car phone. Cola na yi nka ho.
So timu kura de ne we.
There be cola nka ho bi.
And ye the fa washes.
Oshes amfro cola.
Sir
Kai so me
e ene nsem course wo ho.
Me come sure. E bia wa wontimi hwe no Poleeno Multimedia ye posting to betimi ahwe cars ni bi.
That's right.
Now here a bus now akoto na I think they were over $120,000.
Wow.
Na bus no. Bus krona no. Oh tu kwan a etimi utimi park your car e wo bus no.
That's right.
Washroom room.
I didn't see them.
Bedroom room. Kitchen room.
That's right.
Hall room. 32 inches by 2. Fridge. In the car no a dine on it one. To say o dey kwa what to dine na o dey ko.
So utu kwan kura won kai fie kura.
And then hotel
because e fie na de nam.
E fie na o de nam.
Sika kasa.
Na me kai say nam na me o say na me because na me twa video ni bi na me gina open top ni bi so na me twa view kakra nti won say enam Trasaco. The whole Trasaco near top pressure man for Trasaco. You can imagine the area like Trasaco, Nasto, and go for who say pressure. Your number scaffold near
top pressure, crammer
scaffold. Near say top pressure,
and your walk off for by your day.
Osei
La Pass for
Osei
Medina.
Osei
Washima, dance so mine.
I rather scared.
Oh, scared de. Nipa de oh wa so timbobra. So what I say. Utimu wo de chensi niema bi no. Apranti usu so pema masa. Fa bomodin fa chenji adwuma. What I say neska gu botom. So what I say.
Na say
sika kasa oyedi.
Money stop.
Emranchi chiri sika o. What I say. When we so obi o whiskey abon be yi.
David.
Apu wa ni sika na yebo abro wa be yi. Sika ni bia ni o be before.
Na wedding minim say minim so wa ene a wo hwe bi wa nya ho anko.
That's right.
But wa hwe enfonyina na say videos a
trendy.
Why do you saying over the whole wedding thing?
Yeah, minia me chia dofo yina eye nipa de senyankopon eboa na otu nsem a wo ye bibia na wa ya me na ye fe ama wo kra
emi aja
ya si ye de kwahe bra panye ne owu a okobon what I say enu owu a wapro bibia sa ajapade a obeye nyina ye mfa nsiu ti nyame wa dum na wonya bia wa ya adoye na osu de bia den asisi o ho so what I say ti wedding na omoye ye ne de omohwe omodwetire
okay
senia omho beso
yankoba aban bo senia
omankoba yes omankobo bosia bi wo ba bia omanko jiska wo ba bia onu ankasa no kra no
bikasa meye
so what I say wa bobra no enu hu se mabre na me ware sei na me deserve ana oba na me kwa wane sei na ewo se me ye den e de ma no enu wa ye ne kama
echiro din
onu ankasa no hwe wo ye general manager ewo UTV okay FM Peace FM Neat FM and na other staffs bebre so what I say and na ne papa ankasa no ogboro no skewura Kwame Despite.
Come true.
So what I say?
Unim sam sume.
What way?
Come true. Me say Despite.
Dabe.
O say?
Dabe.
Say me. Emu abem. Me kala. Na me true say, your papa Despite.
That's right.
Baby odi can see in the first house.
That's right.
I will see. No to kwan ba, no abebubu no.
That's right.
No we see. No akwaba no abebubu no.
That's
right. No we see. No akwaba no abebubu no. And me ma mete Despite that if in the next house.
That's right.
And as I area mu na mete na nyini ya. Nti say Despite atena ho and I say we see ni fie ho.
That's right.
Abeye say dia. Me am free kronim no. Me yi.
Piao.
Wase kuro na nimunya.
Piao. Ense kuro na ofi mu ni ntina.
Ana me de say at least menen
woni tie bi na hu bi se nya wo tie bre na
na edantia okoba na obebubu no no na bosan akra nti okoba nti ne ye nkra no say usa hu Despite abo nti ye kan say wakofa abrochire plan obesi nti the moment obekwa aba bi say the abrochire plan aba obesi sinkra no so na ma toda otim diska egu ne car na to anya kwanta kwan na so bon so ofa so a efifirigu a na we harder na wanya bi nti nipa we no na from the scratch no say
wabre
nyame ebesira no
yes wabre ene ne nyankopon ehira no eni wodi ne
je adi we also je man
F
where once in your life
F de waye ne de nyankopon hira nyankopon koso ehira no no mo ya ado edada
and am pacho nkofo bi ma comment me post TV sorry to say ye nga say e bia men comment but o comment na o join say bia oni na nya adwen pacho amamu ndi atem obi was say na wonye scale busu na o ye hwehwe ni mu but ye kai mo say Despite companies e bubo ye on oni nti e bia wa o say na on bi factory na companies big companies we you know on meat fufu OKFM UTV nti workers say wo under this media nyina on ne ti omoka
that's right
yem fe no nto nchen o ye nkofo so adoye
that's right
nti so ne be ware a enye se wo ye show off eye de o wona na ase de ne ho so no ene o ye wan ko bobosia senke ka se wa bo world bank bosia de aye
ene ye taxes so no jeje ya
dem wan ye tax eno mestres kan fu obi abotom se me be ware nti monye ntobo ama nti de ne ho so ye no ene o ye
minia we de emongo na make am se wuntimi nyeje ni ade no bra
na so order so
ma me nsi so na tiefo o ka tem de die nti ma me nsi so
o mutimi nya miye
dai o ya gazi akwe da asem na make ka kire we se wuntimi ye ya na bra pani on se so wo bo empire mo empire se obi a wani da no so se omwa wo no o so bo empire se grade bo am na esumesi mo ame
no men kan nipa
ode no hoto nipa so fa hoto ewrade so odo hoto nyankopon so a ono na promotion favor bibia won nsa na ne pe no enye ho eden emawo so atase nyankopon de we hire bibia so krampo dada ti ugidie ena eden ebe kire no nyankopon mi se bia asumesi a odo ani ato no so e bia no kra eden omwa
ebikra na
what I say
entonda na
gate man na ebia na nka nyankopon yi ne se omwa so what I say ntina e wo so utimi ebu obi am respect of no matter what I so di obu ebe obi bia
okay
so what I say nti yie dia ne de obetima yie ena me no ka say echina ena me no tie ebia na oni kapre echina me hu no na ye bilonia nyankopon de onye one way sebi onye alatani but wait to watch now anytime papa na yeba wedding no so no on say sebi owo bi eno wa ye na kama eno nkire say sebi mbedo sa wonni bia wo so kwa ni chinchine de owo be so no na wa eden wa ye so onim say wo de traditional wedding and a bit my why you the anybody force to say yeah white wedding and your force no me too amount photo for when na one kobo busia family wedding one sha ware no enyina
because on worry now to aka
afena obetu afena obewo abetu school fees ni ade yam yenyi aban busia mfa ware enema betima sei ebi a wo wa wie na bibi esi wadwom ne yi wadi obe den
bibi aseti
what I say into we asi bibi a wo ye bia hwa wa hoden na wo de aye bra panyi despite wa yama ne ba owo bi en oye ti wa wo ni bi enforce ho twintwine ntwan e wo se den okoye
na omo say eye pressure mo no.
Yes.
Minim say ye mu bi o a ye kan say ye kan de asra na say ye kan am say oh at least why am na ye fe ha na ye ka say pressure but e bi so ka pressure no e ma otimu say e pressure man say onye ye na wa abusua bi a omu e we scam
elo na say shouting
o say shouting say nyame betimi ahira
what I say when say obi ukoswa I was here support. No cause.
Okay.
Or see, he that water others is also waters. No. Adia opesu nyankopon enye ma eni se o criticize.
The oye no was so man.
What man say? U pesika, obi enye sika, u di na ten say ene sika ni na oye say. Wo pesika.
Abede nya me ahira.
Untimi nya ade a wunya de o reject what the American say wunya de we obi so say
won hu say nipa ni wo bi fa buo ma no
support no mani ko nanim mo na o ko nanim no na wo so nyankopon so e den nyankopon na ehira no nti so wo criticize na wudi na tem na you na say wudi nyankopon atem thank you. Obazo chese nyankopon why mistakes o hira esumesi. Why big mistake? But any say konesa. Support nipa no. Na more na wo support nyankopon so be hira. No matter what. And nipa de obeso ye a your mindset. Bible na kan. Was it the way you think, that's how you are. Your thinking can never be different from your character. Senior we see dwene no level na wo mu no sa adwentie enti na wo mu me the Bible so also let you renew your mind. You renew mindset. If you want to be rich, you need to think rich. Thank you. And what cars will be you know when the kind aye you adwene what must say
I'm working towards it.
Yes. Even Bible because also without faith, faith without works is there.
It's needless.
Thank you.
My
it's meaningless.
Yeah.
What I say, when you GD I saw 2 1 am. Now when you GD now the tenefa ko say emra mother. And the GD no so ya dia hu ye no wa GD. If you GD say obeye you can make it. You will make it in life. Obi o si me di me rese obi du hia rese
ye de ya mawia se am ye beja bi mu
yes into beja bi no mu nso enti ye bi no ma beja o mo no so mo ya high time no mo chire level so nyankopon na ehira me ti be say awia safa na nyina mu say yes nyankopon ehira me a no why then wa mia wa no uniska say asase ni transaco who told you
nenra me say ye papa reverend eto birthday we
that's right
fridge any TVs
or the yard boy
tinipa bi say better nyame nkoso nhia
hwe
na obi ba ho de kama koma ne say ofiri ne ba bi ne ba yo ba say o te say papa e TV ne fridge no obowura ma papa mpacho me TV ye man mic denti na pe TV me use atikopo me peska kope bi ato ne say 8 million ti afi na me guso ya hoboa say misika beso na nkamaire makotobi papa hene so se jina
chikoko poor people poor people their hope is the riches.
Yeah.
Poor your hope
is for the riches
is the rich people. So when the rich people are not there you remain poor. But what I say?
Matthias,
level no we're raising. There are some people who are almost be see or might be say, me too, I want to
get there,
make it, do it this way. Obey you don't know my year, Juma. Because we'll be in him despite. Na shase.
Yeah.
You will cry yate. Say be no you shoemaker, no tone CDs.
No, be a producer.
And obey a producer. And no name we be few.
Long
story. School. Nenya me aboana no we be dum pempen so be den na so ye. See etim to heaven kra de ba akobe to heaven de aba Ghana. Enyema bi ebi ni ho no o ma poor people akire say irrespective of where you are, you can make it in life. Trust in God. No matter what, Enyankopon be shira fa ho bebi awo. Tokrum bebi a wo hye bi Enyankopon so be shira wa, obe shira. But they are the here, we hear our mindset, your focus. So as I say, no we shira wo. Enti mi nya Enyankopon shira wa. De wa kuma pe, de o kra pe. We yu Enyankopon de mana. Why you there? What more ni age? We are see there kwen. So as I say.
And a future so out of my young girls now, say after this wedding, I say, baby son, a bit more if you say, my boyfriend, and I say,
share
me kunu in free cafe.
Or more down,
an attitude, and I say, baby, son, me piscani, send a bear that, and Messoma worry a bit, say.
I saw Banos or no, so yes, can you what a bear man say? When is car one and I say, and so we very well now. What am I saying?
They will be appreciated.
Why so appreciate it? Fair,
be in your wife.
In such thing now, and your pet.
Okay, as I'm soon near more. Okay,
Brapenny, and such thing in I
and your pet,
and your pet. You pay in to me your pet.
Okay.
So we are may yet a bodyguard, president when you see.
Yeah.
As will be a bodyguard.
No protective president.
Oh, protective president. And America is the richest in a mindset. Will be a professor, and so you're poor. It will be so you're professor, the same professor, or you're rich. Difference in here then.
Mindset.
Obi ton phones will make it our branches around the world.
Yeah.
Obi also at Mokola one table. What na for 30 years. Science is our phone by concrete now.
Difference in the phone. The mindset in the Biamedi Oba. Oh, baby, oh, me the Debia more.
Vision, Adrian. So what I say?
And they were educated,
Papa. It's in this life, no. Everyone will be a while. Was say more talent.
Yeah.
More talent, meaning Obofour. What are you saying?
Pushy.
What do I mean to media for so? You fail. Talent one at the mouth, any man at the mouth. Only call Belfast will be promoted. Focus on Christ.
Nebi Mundin bloggers to say.
Obe Nyanko Pombe ma people will come to you and also you will be connected to people. Bema the wo no ekura no. Biasa fa na nyina be hu. No matter what. Nyanko Pombe they deep helpers eba. You will make it. You will make it. All that you need is the mindset. Renew your mindset.
And stay.
But how far you can see. And now beko. Ebi a wo be say ko baby a. Wo di kan adwene wo hu distance ehu baby a wo ko kra wo say wo nam ho. So what I say, you need to have that vision and san abam. Rapping what I say, if you are CBB, I bet it's somewhere in the realm of the spirit.
Yeah.
Now, physical. So what I say, it's when they kind and spiritual word you physical no be bread.
Wow.
Rapping so what I say,
a full package. Sending me can show and a full package. So what he show now to me say, at least when you're here, back me no be there.
Despite I hear both 1 year. Also due to me so to meet my year.
Some catch you say program no and then full package be room and see not me go so kai will say stand up herbal supplements and I say bibia no and I say our recent moon and I saw bremu be ko no I just say oh boy juma fee now your mount mo answer na what me at the energy a pia ponting be a song for so now make sure say obit me from 0244895704 0244895704 number na say the big screen so e be no me Anthony no apike enti bra
that's right
send na America no one may futu be brave
that's right
say we are say opese odi a wonim say obesete wadwen say meyeye
that's right
na meyeye so a meboa asomasi a na
obenti yes
na wati ho anamo na mentina ba bi say me twen ama meboafo aba yeda wase bebre say wama ya futu we no nti na ye conclude show ni nyina no
that's right
ne tofa bom no obeye ne say na ma Poleeno multimedia
dia me kan nyina ne say bebe nyankopon di wadru bia e so ultimate appreciate
that's right
we appreciate ya onyankopon be shira wo mo na me mfa ho to nipa so fa ho to everade so
okay
ne everade na nkasa no obema amanfo ede apeboa what I say was he seek the kingdom of God first then was he seek the kingdom
yeah no they can you the back
what they can you na back so what do you need focus on nyame and bibia no ebeba where challenges wo ho challenges challenges no eno na ye o resource smart man say ene amane ne ya wo na wonam no so mo adwen koso a you feel so what I say say problem ba wo sere kire problem ne ye na who say problem ni ye problem a problem be there problem
ebe chaos
challenges bi a wonam bia no it's for your promotion it's for your promotion because also na mo jamu a o kan ho that means eja beba anambwa una mo nsuo mo se me kan ho that means nsuo beba but was say ni nyina ye temporary betwem akọ so wo fi e komokola o kwa nipa betwem cars betwem ni niam betwem but you focus to reach mokola and kwaye de wo ye no
now we time is
vision bi a wo me no but say challenge beba don't quit o quit why what feel don't quit no matter what how the circumstance will be make sure say what's that ya stand try kopem say you produce results the results in here brofo ye omo ye can na ekonachi but omo ye ya ma ne konanim enne kasa kese enne ye papa so what I say
and see na say o start bi a men kwete en ka say mabemo bu because me start o ma no me feel so mbebo ame o ma mo ame me o fa bi o say nko this carry me anye nti me jai no push it nyame de oboafo bebro na oso watimi abeye de e wo so ye okay sene ne e kan na full package minim se woni age na show no ho ye na me ka chiro se ye director kum DOP don little papa ti wo hu ye say na ye said bibia was said location we so don little and ye onye professional actor keke onye celebrity keke
yes
behind the camera so no oboy juma
ya bompa ye se wontwa blade ya
patch was say
so wontwa blade ya
oh yeah I don't win say send nenye the first time
so don
me na no run nature and see the show na be we ye no na bram patch your final words to
the final words unim say kwan bi wo ho a obi fa so anyankwa obi fa so akoshia na kwanshia so what I say nti abrabo na ye bo enyete esno obia ne time onyankopon edishira no what I say obi wo ho a
brasi ho ni biem isa word na things say enkofo bebre shedant ya say time Bruni respected that word
yes
and me say obi time adibi wo ho a open time enkofo shedant ya say
yes
because all the time I say they making pressure Intimi ntoma.
Dabi sesen.
Because onim say nyame ne bo wi ase. Time emre.
Ayemre. What man say?
On so bi ma papa.
On say in this life no the air can say ensatian nyina nyepe. Ekwan bi wo obi be fa so akuru. Ekwan bi wo obi be fa so the same kwan na akonya nkwa. Onyankopon mmere ene ye mmere pa. Enforce ema wo time. Emo 6 o'clock abra emo 6 o'clock. O force a yesi se bi the force no ho sha henche no obi aye den ensum.
Say bo 6 o'clock enche obeda.
Yeah. So what must say? Ti otamu nso ya enforce bebre. Obi wo ho a obe ware ansam Nyankopon ehira no. Obi wo nso a ne mranti brem ena obehira no. Obi wo so okọ ne nkokura brem ena obehira no.
Me asemi ntwa no. De o ka no say obi wo ho a oware wi na nyame behira no. Obi wo ne nkokura bo na nyame behira no. Kensi 2020 no.
That's right.
Minim say eye Ghana obi afa
na. Ne papa e ware okura wa nyem.
Ne na nka me ba so no. O papa na obo na chi dom ma na ye fese no. Ono waware no. Wanya ne say.
That's right. Wodim say adabraka na ye estate. So when you kasi obi nkot na adabraka a want na.
Etwam.
Yes, what it transaku. Ene veti me small car veti.
Yeah.
Wonim say sikani pa do ho sikani. Ena omo lanchi odi sika kese eto. So say car we ne ba kete to de chena obeka to wedi nate. So what I say?
Time.
Time. The cars na we use no. Wedding ene Kensi 2020 cars na we use no. Ebi a time no. Na twem ye de ma wo set na mu kura washes entina mu kura na omontina. Sa me kazi kura no, wo say washes no kura nti kura. So that is kura no so no. Sikani pa na de ye no we de ye boss dede so na ne. Enim. O de ko ma pe kura wunya bi.
Ede.
So what I say. Jimwa gwe su
na me ton me de.
O nton say. Kakra bi na yi inji. Bemma forte sa pre enu ka na gata to pressure mani pa na wa. So what I say, intino a timer Onyankopon fa so ehiro bi atamo ma ya nya botre na twen egbade. No mu susu mu Nyankopon so bo. Wo na wo hihye ne mo Nyankopon so ma Nyankopon pressure. So what I say, the yan so be nya gidie e wa de bia wo yibe no di nokre. Di nokre. Di nokre. Bia wo yibia di nokre. So what I say, e say no e ya kamya say bone na aya amanfo ye negative things no amanfo hu papa no nti wa hwe a wo so be kwa koye bi ebi ono no la no wo koye bi a emfa ekua pempolo koyi ne ho na oyi ne hayi na di twa picture ebi ano obenya obi amana sponsor no but wo bi kwa koyi sebi wo tunu nyina akura to obi an sponsor hwe boss wo ye adwuma mu obi a di nokre emanipa so ata enu Nyankopon be hwe so di ahira wo ese youth na aba no ye pentemanya ahunyade enye ntem empepro ho otamu so a empepro ho na emum kakra no Nyankopon di ahira no appreciate okay what I say at times no nkrofo so nipa bibire hwe obeko sika ni bi woni bi anene ye adwuma ene man ketinketi bi wa bi a sika bi o je fa ye we mam o so wa hwe o so ye ya no so wo sika ntin wa kipi won so sika bi da hwan ma kwatwim dabi o sa kwan na abefa se dia ye ya na dabi Nyankopon kura enhira wo but we do us we ye we tutu niema ye edi no kura na nipa no kura ntima amwawa Onyankopon be connect obi ama na boa wo
because nim so kita
akoma pa so ata se me akoma pa me kita ntina said baby a wo bia me chia wo o America o ton cars e wo America so ata se akoma pa ntino ata se ya ye adwuma ma nkrofo e bi o ntima appreciate but Onyankopon ntimi connect obi ye den ema o hira wo so ata ma se nti no kredi de me the youth no me ka kyerɛ kakra bi a wo bia mo wani nso na bompa ye se kotwa no Onyankopon enhira so se oba no just anwa Nyankopon hira so e ma ne e supply ebu so na mpata wetimi ma so di fidi amanfo na Moses na ba tia o se den na wo o se mi ne hwe o se kita den o se mi kita aba o se poma fa chire nsuo no o de ji nipa nkwa it is the little thing that you have onyankopon behwe so e de ehira wo obi a wo su ne hwe no onyankopon ntimi ye den ehira wo nyankopon hira obi a
wow nyame hira so Kwapia papa na yene na edin komo enne ewo Poleeno Multimedia no na me kai wo say unsubscribe to the channel na subscribe because you want your papa bebre enam kwam eba na me ka cho say don't little and official camera director said design bia ohun bia don't little in the genetic no or the na drink ese no aboy camera
this a sound ama
na my
friend ebisa no ya de number na beto so
de beto dwa na my friend no na mo bisa no say ade na don sound ama
ye blend so a ono anso ye direct we de bibia okoso wa bia
okoso a anko ye bia no so bo ne ne dia ekoye so a ne dia na say ye be kram na me ka che say stand up herbal supplements na aso ya senti wa ware na untimi mbo adwuma Monsieur for number 0244895704 0244895704 yakram
don little so number ne 0245912388 Mr. Don little number ne 0245912388 don little enti
What's subscribe man Don little official on YouTube. Send a post any comedy biana ubenya ni straight. Don little official.
Now mo follow me so Kwapia comedy.
So Kwapia comedy. A full package a full package. Poleeno Multimedia kum Don little official kum Kwapia comedy. This year 2020 and you might be bringing a day, Bromo.
Yes.
Bye bye.